Welcome to LG Machinery online auction or store inventory. Today we have two rotary screw air compressors and an air dryer plus a tank. And the main air compressor, it's Atlas Copco GA11, and it's a 15 horsepower compressor in very nice shape. Regular maintenance. I think this unit it's 1992, but it wasn't used a lot, so you can see it's in very good condition. And that's a main unit, 15 horsepower unit. And it's Atlas Copco GA11 rotary screw compressor. I think these are one of the best compressors on the market. You know, the maintenance on them is minimal. If you take care of it, you know, like change the filters regularly. I think this filter last time was replaced on the 1/15/07. And this compressor was out, you know, out of operation for I think at least a year at the moment right now. And we hooked it up, you know, and tested everything on that. So I'm gonna turn it on, and you can see, you know, how it's running. Also, we have the backup compressor. It's a 10 horsepower Worthington, 10 horsepower Worthington air compressor. Same thing, rotary screw compressor. So, for example, if you'll be out of you want to maintenance, you know, the other one, you can turn this one on, or if you have some kind of emergency with, you know, your other compressor, you can turn the backup unit right here, backup unit. Also, there is a 129-gallon tank included, air tank. That's our air tank right here. An air dryer, VanAir Air Dryer. It's right here in the background. And we go from this side on it. Yeah, it's a brand new VanAir. It's almost brand new. I think it was it's 2-3 years old. It's in very good shape. And this one, actually, I think it's a little bit overkill for this system, because this one's got the 1 1/4 inch, you know, inputs right here, right there. There's 1 1/4 inputs, you know, and a big air compressor and everything on that, right here inside. It's a little bit, you know, a little bit bigger, but it's better to have a bigger one than a smaller one. And let's do a close-up again on this unit right here. It's very nice and clean inside. This is actually a screw compressor right here. On the other side we have a motor on that. It's very nice and good shape. I love those compressors, you know, because there's almost zero maintenance on them. I never saw one, you know, actually break up or break down, you know, and stop. And this is a 15 horsepower motor right here. And this is a control box. It's also dual voltage, and both of those compressors are dual voltage. They can run on 200 or 400 volt, you know, circuits. It depends, you know, on your setup. And actually, they're both of them. So the Worthington, you know, 10 horsepower, and Atlas Copco GA11 15 horsepower air compressor, you can switch it for dual voltage. Only the VanAir, the air dryer, it's 110 volt, runs on 110 volts. So this one, you know, you have to run separate line for it. I'm gonna turn the Atlas Copco on right now. Let's see. This one's got 33,470 hours on that. And let's turn this one on. There it is. It's on. And start. Go to the air. All around it's nice and sound. And there's really good stop operation on that. Very nice, you know, with a digital, steering. When your barrels, everything is full, your tanks, it's gonna automatically turn off. So, you know, it won't waste your power, and especially in those times, today times, it's very important to save energy. and cut down on our costs of operation. This is the backup Worthington backup compressor. Same thing, I'm going to start it up. And so you can see it's running. Yeah, there it goes. Very, very nice. Very, very good unit. So both of those compressors are in great running shape. So you can actually put it right straight away in your shop and start running them. This one, it's got 110 volt. We got it hooked up right here, but actually it won't turn on and nothing engaged. Only the control will turn on right here because it's got all the settings. You know, without air, like you need to have at least 100 psi's on it, or 80 or 100, depends what's the dial set here. It's set on 100, you know, to engage the air drying process and everything. But it's running, you know, it was all tested, so should be good. And you have a big tank with it, so you can small shop, you know, with like up to 20 machines, you can run on those compressors with not a problem. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and please keep us in mind for any of your machine needs. And we'll have some other air compressors, you know, coming up also. We have a 25 horsepower Quincy compressor coming up. So just keep us in mind. Thank you so much for watching, and happy bidding.